Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. So guys, this would be a quick video about the best cheapest back case that is available for the Realme X3 smartphone. So if you guys have been following my channel, you might be knowing that my LG G8X Think is actually broken, and because of which I'm not able to make videos on the smartphone. It had an accidental drop and it's still broken. While I try to find a solution for this status of this phone, what I was thinking is I'll keep on using my Realme X3 smartphone. What I've done is I've got a tempered glass for this device on the front, and also I've ordered a back case. What I decided is I'll not go for a very expensive back case because a lot of people were asking which is the best back case and other things as such. So I just went on to Flipkart and Amazon and checked the cheapest ones out there, and I found out a back case which cost just 129 rupees. The first thought that came to my mind was, damn, it will be really having bad ratings or something, but as it turned out, it was having pretty good ratings, guys. It was around 4.2 ratings on Flipkart for this back case. From the Flipkart reviews, I got to know that this back case will be available on special days such as Big Billion Day or other sale days as low as 69 rupees as well. So I'll be quickly unboxing this, putting it on my phone, and I'll be explaining you guys how good is this back case. Should you invest on this back case? So guys, as you can see, this is the box package of the back case, guys. It is actually Flipkart's own branded back case, Flipkart Smart Buy. So guys, as you can see, this is the back case over here. It is it is like a plastic rubber based material, guys. Build quality and all is just fine. It is not like a very good quality back case or something. There is this fingerprint scanner hole over here, the camera hole over here, charging and the speaker hole, and the buttons, and this is the texture of the back case. It has this cross patterns, and also it has this horizontal patterns on the back surface, and on the inner surface there is this hexagon shaped patterns over here as well. Let me quickly put this back case to my phone and check it out. So guys, this is how Realme X3 looks when we are using it with the back case. It is fitting quite well. It does not have some loose ends or something. If you're using the phone, doesn't come off. It is fitting quite well. As you can see, it is sitting tightly on the phone as well. Also, it will help you to get rid of that camera bump that is present on the back. So it will help you to lay the phone flat on the surface. And also the best part is it is not touching the edges of the tempered glass. As you can see, this is the tempered glass case, and the tempered glass has a little bit of distance, so it is not fitting on the heads of the tempered glass, because of which the tempered glass sometimes comes out of the phone display. It is fitting perfectly fine for the smartphone, guys, and it also has a good grip, guys. This back case should be able to protect for some accidental drops or something, and since the front is also already having the tempered glass protection, this should be just fine. And also, one annoying thing I was feeling with the default back case that Realme had given was that there was a covering for this charger. So every day in the morning, in your sleep, you are getting up, and always I used to get that interruption in the middle. This is the Realme's box provided back case, guys, and as you can see, there is a little bit of yellow thing that has happened, and this is the protection that I was talking about, guys. And I'm not telling that this is a very good quality or it is a very high quality back case or something. If you are someone who do not want to invest on an expensive back case, you can actually go for this. My priority was I just wanted a back case for a few days. That's why I bought this one. It just cost 129 rupees. It's doing the job just fine, and the important thing is that I've got tempered glass, and it is fitting fine with the tempered glass as well. And the link for this back case will be provided in the description, guys. And for the price of 129 rupees, I cannot actually complain more, guys. It is giving me a pretty good grip, and in case if this back case solves your problem or your requirements, certainly go ahead and buy this case. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.